This review is of Lily's dark chocolate baking chips. No sugar added, non-GMO, fair trade, 55% cocoa, stevia sweetened. Is there anything else? Not on the front. Also gluten-free and Parav. And you can make their classic chocolate chip cookies with no sugar added. Unfortunately, it's not a vegan recipe. Oh well. Fair trade cocoa and vanilla. Mass balance is used to match fair trade sourcing. Manufactured for Lily's. They don't make their own? Huh. All right. Nutrition facts. 60 chips or 14 grams. So it's got 4 grams of fat, of which 2.5 are saturated. No trans fats. No cholesterol. No sodium. Hooray. It's got 8 grams of carbs, of which 5 are dietary fiber. Wow. No sugars. 3 grams of erythritol and 1 gram of protein. So this isn't going to spike your blood sugar. And the ingredients. All right, let's give it a try. Oh, they're small. They're like mini chips. A bit cool in the mouth. Flavor's a little bit different. Definitely a milder chocolate. So if that's what you're looking for. If you're looking for a mild chocolate, this is going to be a good choice for you. If, however, you like a dark chocolate, I would definitely try to find something from Lily's or elsewhere that's a lot stronger than this. Say 75%, maybe 80-85% if you could tolerate that. But it's okay. I'll give it a 6.5. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great day.